Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and updates, because an unsupported host or old firmware will block data and video. Once the dock is powered and LEDs indicate ready, connect the certified Thunderbolt cable to the laptop. When a security prompt appears, accept or authorize the device. This allows full bandwidth. Make sure to use the port labeled with the lightning symbol for Thunderbolt. If your laptop sleeps, wake it. Then watch the OS acknowledge new hardware and enumerate ports and displays automatically. Once connected, route video first. Plug monitors into the dock's video outputs and set your primary display in system settings so windows open where you expect them. Next, attach keyboards, mice, Ethernet, and fast external drives. This concentrates cables and power through one hub. If a device isn't recognized, make sure cable latch is seated and try a different port. Also install dock drivers or firmware updates. They resolve compatibility and performance issues and can enable charging and device pass-through that otherwise. Finish by confirming the dock supplies sufficient power. Check the wattage on the dock label and compare it to your laptop's requirement. If charging is slow, use a higher watt dock. Always eject external drives before disconnecting to avoid data loss. If devices disappear or video stutters, reboot the laptop, revoke and reauthorize the Thunderbolt device in security settings, and try a different certified cable. These steps clear common faults quickly. And if that fails, power cycle the dock and check vendor support for firmware fixes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.